working at a school. Gotta change this guy out for the one that they got. They just got this new door. We're putting it on their keyway. Take this apart, we'll get her done. Got the cover off, took the screws out, taking this guy out of here, take it to the van, put a new cylinder in it. We'll be done with this one. All right, already got their cylinder out of here. Here's the one. We're gonna put it on. Take this thing apart, rekey, throw it in. And then we're off to another school. This guy's got 2 different schools that he's working with. Oh. All right. Looks like I don't actually have a key for this brand new rim cylinder, so we're shimming it. Do what we gotta do. Must have been a spare or something. Oh. Okay. Five pins. What do we got here? All right. Yeah, we're only doing one, so we might as well put the key in the hole. Oh, that's not right. Alrighty. Alright, get this keyed up and we'll put it back together. Alright, get this new one in here. I didn't have any trim or nothing on there. Already shortened the tailpiece, made it match the old one. So it should just go right in. Simple, easy peasy, baby. Get their key, bam. Works like a champ. All right, let's put it on the door. Gotta get this bad boy on here. The hard part's gonna be lining up that tail. Oh, well, never mind. Not hard at all. Slid right in. Can't complain about that. Put some screws in here. Lift this up a little bit. Get that screw in. Use this bad boy. Alright. Now it can hold itself together. Got my screws over here. Put one in there, bam. One in there, bam, grab my drill. tell you not to use a drill on this, but you know, just don't overdo it. Come back with your screwdriver. Test it out. Alright, let's put the cup cover on it. We're done. Alright, just like that, she's all done. Let's test it out. Make sure nothing. Oh, can't see nothing. A little dark. Let's go ahead and turn this. Doesn't seem to pull in very far. Let's get some light. Alright, should be good. Good to go. Lock it back up. Done. Alright, got a bunch of key knobs here that come out of levers. An intruder locks key on both sides. And for school, so let's we'll need to put them on their keyway. These are just Y11s. They're on GA Gale. So let's get these new ones keyed up. We'll get them put back on. Alright, so it looks like we got the wrong key knob. They need original Yales for this guy. The tailpiece that comes with these, not long enough. And it doesn't work, so we'll be back. Alright, that was kind of a fail. I was sent to the shop with the wrong parts, so it was Daddy's fault. We'll be back and get the right ones here soon. Get them slapped in, easy peasy. Windmills for days. The things we find. This the other door. At least this one's got a deadbolt upside down. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Alright, well that was weird. Lady just bought this house. And the back door had two knobs on it. What in the world? We're gonna put a deadbolt on one of those. Alright, so all I got is nickel and quick set, so Weiser will do the job. I got a Weiser with the easy set stuff. We'll just get that changed out. Perfect. And those are the keys for the Weiser. Let's rekey these. She don't have any keys to this place either. She had one and it's gone. So go figure. Let's get this one. Well, there goes the back door. It's windy as hell. Windy as it gets. It's supposed to have tornadoes tonight. Look at this. This bad boy. Oh, better shim. FedEx just threw a package on this lady's back porch. Ended up picking it. Once again, no key. I've been goobered. That was kind of a fight. Ended up using the leashy with the shim at the same damn time. Works great though. It sucks that I had to do it. This key bitting, by the way, 666 at the end. Huh. Something. And that boy was upside down, so I'm just gonna put the cylinder in after we get to the door. I'm probably gonna put it in upside down too. Yeah, looks like we gotta pick this one to get it open. Maybe. Nope. Ah, love it. This one's on a keying knob. Ha! Come on. Paint the stuff in there. Ha! Oh man, she's crusty. Ha! Ha! Jeez. Way to be stubborn. Swing. Oh, there goes the wee woos. Throwing clips too, golly. I was gonna leash you this damn thing. Once I got it here. Well, this is going to be easier to shim. Whatever. Probably grease it. I am 3-0 for freaking shimming today. So I can give myself at least one. These damn spool pins, they always get in the way. Oh, I got one left. Come on. Crusty and dusty. Got all but the last two, so screw it. Maybe last one. Yep, just last one. Come out. You know what? shim in it. Swing. Swing. There she goes. Can't fight it when there's a shim. Alright, let's key it. Look at this. 6. Ridiculous. Boom. 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 Damn cylinder spun in here. One screw. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Yeah. Interesting stuff. Give it a test tickle. Clear out some of that wood, but she's good. Bring her down. Might as well put their big screws back. There ain't really much meat there at all. Got some naders coming in tonight. See you on the next one.